Hi, good morning. Today is June 19th and today is Wednesday. Last night after we had dinner, my two daughters enjoy playing together and they made believe they made believe that they were a princess, so they got dressed and they have some dress, and this is one of them. And maybe I don't know, maybe this dress was hand me down from my niece. So, and recently my younger daughter is wearing this when they are playing, and last night they enjoy princess things, and I realized this dress was worn out a lot, so I decided to fix it after she fall asleep. So last night I did sewing a little, and as you can see, this dress, this fabric is very fragile or delicate, so it's easily to worn out, especially kids is using this. Kids tend to use this dress very you know what I mean. Kids don't take care of dress. You know what I mean. So I fixed it last night, and I look at this. I put this fake pearl waistline, so it looks more it looks cuter than before, I think. And this morning I showed this dress to my younger daughter, and she looked very happy. And I put this fake pearl on this dress, only on this dress. So my older daughter was jealous of her sister. Yeah, so and she looked very happy. Yeah, and I also enjoy doing sewing a little. Yeah, it's very cute. And we can't find any worn out. It's very cute. And they promised to play with this dress after they come home today. Yeah, that's all. And today is Wednesday. We have I have meeting this afternoon, so, and I have to drive there for 40 minutes. And today I'm going to attend a meeting with other 3 people, so I'm very nervous because I'm not good at driving. When I go there by myself, it's very relaxed because there was no people, only me. But today it's very I'm so nervous to take them. Yeah, that's all.